Hey, what's up guys? This is Ken at Grom Audio, and today we're back in our 2013 Acura MDX. So today I'm going to go a little more in depth and detail with how some of these apps work inside VLine using Honda Acura's multifunctional joystick. So first thing I want to show you guys, it's the navigation. Currently we're on Google Maps, and I already have the sidebar selected here. So as you can see, I'm using the rotary knob to scroll down. I'm just going to scroll down to the navigation. So Google Maps is opening. And it just takes a second to load, and here we are. So this is actually Google's driving mode. And in driving mode, it's just a little more simplified. And when we're actually moving, the map becomes like a 3D map. So it's a very something that's easy recognizable. Not just like a Google Maps on your phone or something like that. And, you know, with the multifunctional knob in the Honda Acura, it wouldn't be safe if you were trying to enter your destination using like the on-screen keyboard or something like that. So if you're parked in the side of the road, sure, maybe. But, you know, we always recommend, you know, try to do everything, you know, safe, use the voice command. So in this case, we would select the top right corner, the microphone button, and I already have the microphone hooked up. So let's give it a shot. Navigate to Starbucks.
All right, Starbucks. Let's go.
Okay, so as you can see, I'm about 4 minutes away from the closest Starbucks. And again, I'm using just the rotary knobs to go through the menus within Google Maps navigation. Let me just exit out of that. Okay. So go back to the sidebar, go back home. And I'm just going to go through these apps one by one to show you guys how it works. So I'm select the main page. Check out local music. So local music is using a flash drive inserted into the VLine. And important thing to note, to get to the flash drive, you have to select it. And to do that, we're going to go to the sidebar, go to the 3 dash lines, enter. So we want to go to storage, and we want to select the storage, which is the flash drive. Okay. And then from here, I'm already within a folder, so I can actually back out of that. Okay. So using the rotary knob again, as you can see. So select the folder that you want, and then again, rotary knob, up and down. Select the song you want to play. Okay, so I'm just using the cursor to move around the different menu bars, and I'm using the rotary knob to scroll within that menu. So let's go back home. All right. Let me show you guys something real quick. This is the AV in. So AV in is if you purchase the additional accessories such as like a front camera, or you had other AV input, this is where you would go to select it. Currently I don't have anything selected, but I'll just show you guys how that screen looks. So it's trying to connect, but on the bottom you'll see that there is a bottom menu bar that was like for AV in or HDMI in. So you would just select that, whichever one's appropriate to your connection type. So let me just get out of that. Okay. And then here's Android Auto. I already have my phone connected. This is a Samsung Note 8. So let's check that out. Okay, as you can see, this is Android Auto's main page. Android Auto has a bottom bar. So scroll down, and then the first one is navigation. Okay. And then we're going to go home. They have a music player as well, the headphones. And currently I'm on Pandora, but you can select if you have other players such as Amazon Music. So I'll just select the headphones again. And as you see, I have Amazon Music, Google Play Music, podcasts. Okay. So select Pandora. And I'm already in the Pandora menu bar. Hit play. Okay. Alright. Scroll down. Center. Go home. Okay. Back to Android Auto's main menu. And because I used the player last, it shows up as the top item in Android Auto. Okay. And let's get back into our VLine. So bottom right, so get back into VLine. Return to VLine. Alright. So web radio, that's online radio basically. And so it takes a few seconds for it to buffer. There it is.
I'm so happy that you are alive. Swear to God I'm down. If you down, all you gotta say is right. Girl, anything I could do just to make you feel.
Okay, as you can see, it's between the apps, it's really similar as to how you access your menus using the cursor keys and to select the menu toolbar, then using the rotary knob to kind of scroll up and down within that toolbar. So let's try it again with Spotify. So as you can see, I'm just scrolling up and down with the rotary knob. If I want to select a different playlist, so, or a different menu rather. So let me just select the song and show you guys again. So let's give it a second to buffer. Oh, looks like it's trying there. So, but you guys kind of get the idea. So I'm going to go back into the player. Right, and as you can see, same thing. Let's go back home. Just give Pandora a shot. So Pandora, so different stations. Right, scroll down.
Hey, I heard you were a wild one. Ooh, if I took you home and be a woman.
Let's go back home. As you can see, they're all really similar. It starts to get intuitive as you learn to go through the menus using the joystick and rotary knob. And then I can just scroll through the next page using the rotary knob. Okay, like so. And then I can select the bottom menu here, there's a bottom toolbar with a little pencil. I can edit icons that way. So say I want to remove this podcast icon, select, and then just go back. So, all right, and that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you navigate VLine using the Honda Acura's multifunctional joystick. So please check us out at gromaudio.com/VLine.